In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a delivery address on a Xero invoice in this step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher on the process, I'm here to guide you through each stage to ensure your invoices reflect accurate and complete information. To start, you'll want to head over to Xero.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in. It's important to make sure that you have access to invoices within your organization, as this is crucial for adding and editing address details. Once you're logged in, navigate to the business section and select invoices. From there, you have two options. You can either create a new invoice or select an existing invoice to edit. Next, focus on identifying the customer that this invoice concerns. Once you've selected the customer, you'll need to dive a bit deeper into their profile. Head over to Contacts, choose Customers, and then click to edit contact. As you scroll down, you'll come across the Addresses section. Here, it's vital to recognize the difference between the billing address, which is used for the invoice itself, and the delivery address, which indicates where your goods or services should be delivered. If you haven't already added a delivery address, now's the time to do it. Click on plus add address and select delivery address from the menu. Input the necessary details here to ensure that your customer receives their goods or services at the correct location. Don't forget to save these changes by clicking Save Contact. Once you've updated the contact, return to your invoice. This is where the magic happens. The delivery address you've just added will automatically appear under the customer section or may show up in its own dedicated field titled Delivery Address, depending on your invoice template's configuration. If you ever need to adjust the delivery address for a specific invoice, there's an option to manually override it as needed, offering you flexibility with each transaction. Finally, it's time to make sure everything looks perfect before you send it off. Click on Preview to see a draft of your invoice. Take this opportunity to confirm that both the billing and delivery addresses are correctly displayed, reflecting the edits you made. If it all checks out, you're ready to click Send or Approve to finalize and issue the invoice to your customer. And there you have it. You've successfully added a delivery address to your Xero invoice. By following these steps, you can ensure that your invoices are accurate and professional, while meeting all your customers' needs efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.